What's up, guys? We are at the expo and we're about to do some interviews. People don't want to eyeball me and I'm eyeballing him right now. You know, at the end of all these deer shows, things start to go south real quick. People are either in a really good mood or a really bad mood. And we're gonna find out which it is. But I have my first interviewer eyeballed right now, but I gotta get permission. But I can't wait to see what this person has to say about the Deer Expo. So you having a really good time? Sounds like he's having a great time. Tell me, would you rather kill a really big deer or shoot spikes the rest of your life? I think you said spikes. How much money have you spent at the show this week? Great. You know, sometimes we get exhausted at these shows. Some of us can last till the very end. Some of us like to check out pretty early. What do you think? Okay, so I think he's a little moody right now. He's not really wanting to respond to any of my questions. So I'm just gonna let him enjoy the rest of his show. Hopefully he had a good time. Hopefully he hasn't begged his parents to spend too much money this week. But if he's going to, let's buy some grit feed, right? I knew it! The grip feed got him! All right, we got another guy who is either so tired he agreed to this interview because he has no idea what I'm about to say, or he's gonna throw a rope at me and be the greatest interview we ever do. What's your name, sir?
Paul Harridge.
Paul, tell me, are you sick and tired of talking to people, or am you and I going to get a steak dinner afterwards?
Well, you and I are not getting a steak dinner, but I am never tired of talking to people. That's what it's all about.
That's awesome. That's awesome. So, what is the craziest thing you had to talk about this week with a potential customer?
What is the best bait? What everybody wants to know, what is the best bait, the best seller? And do I make all of these baits?
Well, do you make these baits?
I do. That's the big thing.
What's the secret sauce in the bait?
Well, that's why it's a secret.
So, have you ever fished in a tournament?
Yes, I have.
So you're the guy who likes to catch fish before the tournament, right? Like pre-fishing.
I always pre-fish a tournament.
And then you hook them, you put them in a bucket and sink the bucket for the next day, right?
That's not gonna happen.
I thought that's what everybody does.
No.
Has your dad ever took you hunting at night? Yeah. Y'all went deer hunting at night? Yeah. Did you see a lot of deer hunting at night? So tell me this, did you use a light to see them? Yeah. Did your dad or you have a gun or a bow or anything like that? Did he have a gun? Yeah. So you saw the deer and you had a light and it was nighttime and he had a gun. Did he shoot the deer? There it is, folks. There it is. We have discovered where all our deer are going. Our folks here are having a great time at the show. You know, there's two people in the world. There's people who shoot deer legally, and there's people who shoot deer illegally. And I'm not saying that anybody has done anything wrong here, but the old saying, kids never lie.